Hi, this is SGProgramming, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a kind of a virus to have fun with your friends, maybe. So you want to create a new project. I'm using Visual Basic 2008, and you can name it whatever you want. I'll name it vtest, just for the purposes here. Okay, so you make one of these. Now, a lot of this stuff I took from another video, but his was kind of too extreme for me, like the backspace. Mine just makes annoying sounds in the background. So you're gonna eliminate this text so the process can see it. Starting position, you want it to be, oh no, my bad. So you want to get this stuff to 0%. Show icon false, show taskbar false, grip size, hide, start, wait no, I need to minimize, Windows state, minimized, can't probably see it because of that. Okay, that should be it. So this thing will be your unseeable contraption, let's just say. So what I like doing, if this person is constantly connected to the internet, is putting a web browser. Put in a web browser. Now for the URL, this is the video that I took a lot from. This code is especially interesting for the copying. I'll explain that. But basically, go to YouTube repeater. And you just go to just the second one. The first one's a fake. So you type in, I don't know, let's say they don't like Party Rock Anthem. Hopefully that'll get me what I want. Yeah. So this is important because it loops the video constantly. Copy this into, what is it? There it is. There we go. Okay, this isn't really a good example, but you know, something like that. So then you want to go into, you need to go back to cursor, pointer. So you go back into here, then you want to form2.show. Now we haven't made a form2, but we will. We go to project, add Windows form2, whatever. Now this is the best part. You make a text box, just a small one, and text, enter code, password, doesn't matter, enter code. Let's say someone, I got you, for example. See, it says up there, and you just put a little thing, label. Now it's important here because you have to tell them to not close this window. And if they try to close this window, they'll see this window in Task Manager, but the other one they won't. And if they close this window, they have to restart their computer to get this window back. Okay, now the code that I'm going back to the first form here. The code that I want to take from this guy over here is, I'll put a link to his thing. It's this one. After the load, there's an if. Take from down there to all the way till end. If after that, I'm okay with the rest of the code. You put it into the form1 load, and this will basically copy and paste your file into his main file thing, right, into his the startup menu. So whenever he starts up his computer, this starts up. Now there's no way to close this without this. Now here you write in the text box 1, if text box 1 dot text equals, let's say your code is 1, 2, 3, and you put that in quotations. Then form 1 dot close. You have to put a enter sign here. Whoa. Stuff's going wrong. Close. And me dot close. And if. So you got this. So if it's 1, 2, 3, then it closes the program, right? This should be it, I think. Enter code, don't. Yep, and now it should work. Now, to get rid of it, I'll show you right now. So when you start the program, see, oh yeah, here he made a mistake, just delete that, and it should work fine, the underscore. Yeah, another one. Oh no, my bad, this one is supposed to, but you're supposed to hit enter here, and enter here, I think. This there, no, this is supposed to go up. No, that one isn't working, yeah. There's one of these things you're supposed to get rid of, I think it's actually the second one. There, now it looks like you have to delete both of them, but you put a space where the then is and end if. I don't think you even have to do that, but just get rid of the underscores. This just copies it into start, and yeah, that should be it. Okay, now I'm gonna run a test on it. See, you can hear more of your rock start, and basically it's going to keep moving since the site executed. 3 closes all down, and right now, oh yeah, a very key thing that you have to do: projects name. The assembly name should be winlogin. Since when the system sees this, you can't end it in processes either, because it thinks it's an essential part. So name both of those winlogin, and you should be set. Still does the same thing. Okay. And if you want to get this out, you have to go to wherever your Visual Basic is saved in. Just the way oh my god. Okay, well, I have another winlogin right here. I can show you this using a different song, though. Basically, it opens.
Today is a very good day. I tell you.
Closes. Now look at this. See, I have 2 of them now. One in files and one in programs. You want to delete the one in the programs. The one in file is the one here. So yeah, that's basically it. Go to this guy, subscribe. I don't even know his name. There it is. I'll put the code in the description, and I hope don't use this for evil purposes, I guess. Okay, well, that's it.